ISRO's Aditya L1, the first space-based Indian observatory to study the sun, will be launched on Saturday at 11:50 am from Sriharikota Space Station in Andhra Pradesh. The one-day session of Manipur Assembly was adjourned sine die soon after proceedings began amid ruckus by opposition MLAs. Union Minister of State for Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Shobha Karandlaje inaugurated the G20 One Health workshop in Bengaluru today. Indian Army contingent comprising 137 personnel has departed to Egypt to participate in military exercise called the Bright Star 23. Today is National Sports Day. The day is celebrated on 29th of August every year to commemorate the birth anniversary of legendary hockey player Major Dhyan Chand.